Before the video starts, guys, we're going to do a giveaway. When we reach 3,000, you get to choose the SH Figuarts Goku, or you get to choose any of these Playmate Toys figures right here. Really cool figures. So yeah, so when we reach 3,000, we're going to give away for one of these items. So let's continue back to the video. Hey guys, Sabrix, and guys, we're finally going to talk about right here, the new Denji right here, 1/7 scale figure. We finally get to talk about it, and wow, this thing right here looks insane. The detail in this thing is pretty cool, but there's some detail on this, it's a little bit lacking, not gonna lie. But really quick, here's the release date, June of 2023, retailing for $419.99. Then that price point is high. That really is pretty high. It is, of course, Chainsaw Man, so they are going to charge stuff a little bit higher because they know for sure this franchise is going to be pretty big, especially because the anime is really big right now, and the anime is coming out, I'm pretty sure, in October. I forgot the release date for the anime, but I'm pretty sure it's coming out pretty soon. But here is the figure itself, and wow, it looks amazing, really cool. The pose looks awesome. He is going crazy right here. You see the bodies everywhere in the base area. You see, of course, blood splatter everywhere. You can see the guts on the chainsaw, the blood everywhere. And that's pretty insane looking. And you can definitely see right here more detail everywhere, especially around like the head area. You can see more on his shirt right there. Here's of course a better shot right here of the of course chainsaw that looks really cool. You can see of course his shoes right there are covered with blood. You can see his arms right here covered of course with guts, like I was saying. This is a pretty crazy looking figure slash statue right here. The only thing I do gotta say, I just wish this was of course a bigger scale. For me, I like collecting these bigger statues, like the 1/4 scale, 1/3 scale ones. And the thing is, this is 1/7. This price point, not gonna lie, for me it's kind of high because I think just a couple more $100 you could get like a Sideshow premium format, and that's of course 1/4 and like that, made out of I think it's polystone or resin, one of those two. And this one right here is only made out of PVC. Another thing is the height right here for this figure is gonna be around 11 inches high. It's not too crazy up high. To be honest, I was expecting maybe a little bit more. But minus that, I still think this thing right here looks amazing. The detail in it is really cool. Maybe the only flaw I would say is the base. I think they went kind of lazy on it, not gonna lie, unless it does look like this in the anime. So far for the manga, we couldn't really tell because it was in black and white. But right here is of course the pile of bodies right here. You can only see one somewhat one color. You see some white mixed with brown right here, so it's one of the things right there. I'm not the biggest fan of how that looks, but I don't know, it might be accurate to the anime. I guess we'll wait and see. But minus that, I still think this thing looks amazing. The price point, I don't know how I feel about it. 420, I don't know, I really don't know. It seems like really high. Like I was saying, you could almost get like a premium format from Sideshow. It's like, it's a little bit oof on that part right there. But I still think this thing looks amazing. I still need to think about it. I know a lot of course, Chainsaw Man stuff's gonna be coming out pretty soon, especially because of the anime and like that. But I guess we'll wait and see. But that's pretty much it right there, guys. If you guys are gonna buy this, please let me know down below. If you guys are a big fan of this series, also let me know down below. But yeah, that's pretty much everything, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.